0 and
Again,
3.
bro.
Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
It's like a grandpa.
Northwestern Pennsylvania, northeastern Beaver County in western Pennsylvania, eastern Lawrence County in western Pennsylvania, Butler County in west central Pennsylvania, west central Armstrong County in west central Pennsylvania, southwestern Clarion County in west central Pennsylvania, until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Grove City to 8 miles east of New Castle to near Beaver Falls, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Butler, Grove City, Katanning, Rimersburg, Elwood City, Commander Lindora, Shanner Northview, Meridian, Zelienople, Slippery Rock, Ford City, Meadowood, Oak Hills, Sapper, Evans City, Freeport, West Katanning, Big Beaver, Fieksonburg, and New Beaver. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 9 and 17. Interstate 79 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 85 and 113. Interstate 376 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 24 and 28. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Lawrence and Mercer.
Ouch.
Urgent.